In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off voicemail on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first step, we need to head over to Settings and then scroll down until you find Phone. Then we need to get into Phone Settings, and after that we need to scroll down a bit until we find Live Voicemail. Here, if we get into that setting, we'll be able to turn Live Voicemail off simply by turning off that switch button. And once you've done that, you need to head over to Phone app, activate keypad, and then you need to enter that combination. Just enter ##004, then pound, and then hit call. It will execute this command and you will get pop-up just like that. You can just hit right here at dismiss, and this command also disables voicemail for your phone number. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.